Jai Hind to all. I hope you all healthy and safe at home. And today we discuss about some identities that are very useful for the next sums of exercise 2.5. And first is x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into x into y plus 2 into y into z plus 2 into z into x. Firstly, we solve some examples that is related with this identity. Example number 1 is 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square. So firstly we convert it according to this identity. 4a minus 2b minus 3 whole square is equals to 4a plus minus 2b plus minus 3c. We change this sign according to the identity. We have minus 2b, we write it as plus, and in the bracket we write negative sign with 2b, and 3c we want to convert into positive z, so we write it as plus into, in the bracket we write the negative sign with 3c. Clear? If we compare with the identity, 4a is like as x and minus 2b is like as y and minus 3c is like as z, so we can say that x plus y plus z whole square. And when we apply this identity, we get x square, it means 4a square, plus y square, it means minus 2b square, and plus z square, it means minus 3c square, plus 2 into x into y, it means 2 into 4a into minus 2b, plus 2 into y into z, it means plus 2 into minus 2b minus 3c, plus 2 into z into x, it means 2 into minus 3c into 4a. After that we simplify it. 4a square, 4 square is equals to 16 and a square is equals to a square, and minus 2b square is equal to positive 4b square, and minus 3c square is equals to positive 9c square, and 2 into 4a into minus 2b after multiplication, it is equals to minus 16ab, 2 into 4 8 into 2 16, and plus minus is equals to minus. And from the next step we get 2 into 2 4 into 3 12, and negative positive into positive is equals to positive 12 bc, and from the last term we get minus 24 ac, and it is the answer of this example. And in the second example, factorize 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2y into z plus 4 into x into z. इस एग्जाम्पल में हमें जो स्टेटमेंट गिवन है उसको फैक्टराइज करना है, उसके फैक्टर्स बनाने हैं. क्लियर? इफ वी सी इट केयरफुली, इट इज like as the right hand side of this identity. It is similar with this identity. Clear? If we convert it into the left hand side, then we can easily make the factor of this equation. Clear? So we convert it into the left hand side of the identity. For this we write 4x square is equals to 2x whole square and y square is माइनस वाई स्क्वायर। यहाँ पर y के साथ नेगेटिव क्यों लिखा हमने, क्योंकि अगर हम इस टर्म्स को देखें, इन दोनों टर्म्स में हमें क्या मिल रहे हैं, नेगेटिव साइन, और इन दोनों में कॉमन कौन सा वेरिएबल है, y। क्लियर। तो आइडेंटिटी में हम क्या करेंगे, y के साथ नेगेटिव का साइन लेकर चलेंगे। क्लियर। तो वाई स्केयर इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस वाई स्केयर एंड जेड स्केयर इज इक्वल्स टू पॉजिटिव जेड स्केयर। अकॉर्डिंग टू दीज टर्म्स वी राइट द नेक्स्ट टर्म्स प्लस टू if we represent it capital X, capital Y and capital Z, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x into y plus 2y into z plus 2x into z according to this we can say that x plus y plus z whole square and x, we get 2x at the place of x and minus y at the place of capital Y and z at the place of z. Clear. If we get square here, then we can write it as multiplication of the same terms. So these are the two factors of this equation. Clear. So it is our final answer, 2x minus y plus z and 2x minus y plus z. After that, the next identity is x plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3x into y and into x plus y. And next is x minus y whole cube is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy and into x minus y in the bracket. If we compare these two identities, these are same, but only difference of the signs. If in the left side we get positive, then all the terms are in the positive sign, and if we get negative in the left side, then these all the terms are in the negative form. Clear. Expand 5p minus 3q whole cube. It is similar with x minus y whole cube, and the result is x cube minus y cube minus 3 into x into y and into x minus y. After that we simplify it. 5p cube is equals to 5 cube 125 and p cube is equals to p cube. 3q cube is equals to 27q cube and 3 into 5 15, 15 into 3 45 into p cube and into 5p minus 3q. After that these two terms are same, and if we multiply that terms, we get 45 into 5 225 p square into q and negative negative positive 45 into 3 135 and p into q p into q square, and it is the answer. Thanks.